Welcome back to the garden. Today I'll show you how to keep your garden producing fresh food all summer long. Forget one-and-done crops. Let's talk about cut-and-come-again plants that keep giving, saving you time, effort, and money. Grab your gloves and notepad. Here are my top 5 summer crops for a truly abundant, resilient harvest.
Hey gardeners, if you love tips like these, hit subscribe and join Fred's Sustainable Gardening channel for more green inspiration every week.
First up, zucchini, famous or perhaps infamous for its truly non-stop production. It's a plant that just keeps on giving, sometimes more than you bargained for. Get ready for a deluge of green goodness. Harvest often, ideally when the fruits are a manageable 6-8 inches long. This is the sweet spot for flavor and texture. Letting them grow too large can result in a less desirable, seedy interior. Harvesting at this size ensures the best taste and, crucially, encourages the plant to keep producing more. It's a win-win situation for both you and your zucchini plant. Check your plants daily, paying close attention to the developing fruits. If you happen to see any small, shriveled baby zucchinis, it could indicate a pollination issue. In this case, consider hand pollinating. This involves carefully transferring pollen from the male flowers to the female flowers, ensuring successful fruit development. Regular picking, consistent watering, and a little hand pollination when needed will have you swimming in zucchini all season long. Zucchini truly is the ultimate garden workhorse, providing a constant supply of fresh produce. Next, indeterminate cherry tomatoes like Sun Gold or Sweet Million. They'll fruit until frost. Water deeply and regularly, mulch to retain moisture, and feed with organic fertilizer. Support vines with cages or trellises, and prune suckers for better airflow and more fruit. Harvest often for the sweetest, juiciest tomatoes. With a little care, your tomato patch will be overflowing all summer. Vining cucumbers are your go-to for a steady supply of crisp, refreshing fruit. Grow them vertically on a trellis for space saving, disease prevention, and easy picking. Harvest cucumbers when they're 6-9 inches long. Don't let them get oversized. Pick every couple of days to keep the plant producing. Try varieties like Marketmore 76er or Lemon for endless summer crunch. Hot peppers, like the ever-popular jalapenos and fiery cayennes, truly thrive in the warmth of summer. These sun-loving plants soak up the heat, transforming it into flavorful, spicy goodness. With consistent and regular picking, these plants will continue producing an abundance of peppers throughout the season. You'll notice peppers in various stages of ripeness, from vibrant green to deep red, all on the same plant. They're remarkably tough and surprisingly drought-tolerant once established, and they absolutely love basking in full sun. Give them at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day for optimal growth and pepper production. The key to happy pepper plants is to provide them with well-draining soil. This prevents root rot and ensures they get the nutrients they need. Using clean pruners or scissors, snip the peppers off the plant as soon as they reach your preferred size and color. Don't be afraid to harvest frequently. This frequent harvesting actually signals the plant to keep producing even more peppers, ensuring a continuous supply of spicy goodness. It's a win-win situation. Get ready to enjoy a steady stream of flavorful heat for your homemade salsas, spicy sauces, and culinary creations all season long. Experiment with different varieties and heat levels to find your perfect pepper. Green onions are simply the ultimate easy crop, providing an endless supply. Snip just the green tops, carefully leaving the white base undisturbed in the soil. New shoots will quickly regrow in just a few days. Repeat this process all season long for a constant supply. Try the evergreen hardy white variety, or regrow store-bought scallions in water for fresh flavor anytime. With these 5 fantastic crops, tomatoes bursting with flavor, beans climbing high, zucchini producing abundantly fragrant herbs, and peppers adding a spicy kick, your garden will deliver a seemingly endless supply of fresh produce, providing non-stop harvests all summer long. Imagine the delicious meals and the joy of sharing your bounty. Mulch generously to conserve precious moisture in the soil, and feed your plants regularly with nutrient-rich compost tea, giving them the boost they need to thrive. Harvest often, almost daily, to encourage continuous production and ensure maximum yield from each and every plant. Make daily picking a rewarding habit. It's not only good for your plants, encouraging them to produce even more, but also incredibly good for your spirit, connecting you with nature. Thanks for joining me on this gardening journey. Subscribe for more sustainable gardening tips and tricks to help you grow your best garden yet. Comment below and share with us. What's your absolute favorite summer crop? The one that just never quits producing, no matter what. We'd love to hear your recommendations. Happy harvesting, and remember, growing your own food is always in season, no matter the time of year.